If you're in Tokyo, you have to try this ramen. This restaurant is located in Shibuya and it's honestly some of the best ramen I think I've ever had in my life. So I waited for almost 1 hour kay maulagi daghan gid ka pangaon diri guys. Walay line diri kay email based ang system. Magpalista lang ka then mo email sila nimo kung hapit na imong turn to enter. Then pagsulod nimo order ka ditso sa imong orderon then na sila ipa-answer sa imo based sa imong preferred na pagkaluto sa imong ramen. Like kung unsa ka rich ang soup or unsa ka firm ang noodles ug daghan pa to. Dayon after you get your own personal sitting booth, murag study cubicle ba pero para sa ramen. Chill kaayo kay private imong kaon. The waiters on the other side of the booth, you don't actually see them pero grabe lang service guys, hospitable kaayo. And here's my order, gibutang ra nako tanan toppings. Oh my god, pag una na kong tilaw, super lami. My gosh, murag gusto na ko mo stand ovation ha, char. Ang broth rich kaayo, ang noodles sakto ra jud pagkaluto. Ang food was 100 out of 10, super affordable, yummy, basta lami gyud. Worth every yen. For sure balik-balikan gyud nako ni tan-awa hurot gyud nako walay nahabilin. Grabe gyud murag makapangutana kag balik kano sa ako makasuroy og balik sa Japan. Honey.